Okay guys, so in this video we are going to continue our discussion for Revit Mechanical Certification preparation. So I'm going to teach you how to transfer project standards to your new project. So as you can see, this is our sample project. So let's say, for example, I'm going to create a new project and I want to use some of the settings that have been used in this project. Okay, so how to do that? So let's say here, what I want to do is, so if I go to the families and then I go to the dock system. So say, for example, I want to copy this one. So custom dock system 1 and custom dock system 2 to my new project. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so let's say same with this different types of ducts. So you can see I have here a round duct, custom round duct. And let's say also on my pipes. Okay, so I have a custom pipes here. And I also have a piping system here, custom pipe system. So let's say these are the settings that I would like to be transferred to my new project. So how to do that? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So same with schedule. So let's say, for example, I'll go to the sheets, open up the sheets, open up this one. So let's say I want to copy the settings of my schedule, the mechanical equipment schedule. So I want to copy this one, not exactly these families here, because obviously these families is not in that particular project. So that's why if you copy this schedule, it will becomes blank. So what I just want to do, I just want to copy the schedule here, the settings of the schedule, like these fields here, and then the settings. So not necessarily all the families. Okay, so I want to copy that, and also I want to copy the custom drafting view here and mechanical notes. So you can also copy that. Okay, so how to do that? So let's say I'm going to create a new project. Okay, so I'll go to the new here, and then for the template, I'll use systems template. So systems template, that's a combination of all the MEP system. So you can have there your mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. Okay, you can do this exercise using your own project. So I'm just going to select OK. So there you go. Okay, so this is now my new project. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my project here. And this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so the title of this project is this one, Mechanical Certification Pref Transfer Project Standard. So that is the tool that we are going to use. Okay, so now going back to my new project, I'm going to select here manage and then go to settings, and then you can see there transfer project standards. Okay, so I'm going to select that one, and then here make sure that you select the project where you want to copy the settings. So I want to copy the settings from this project. So make sure it's open. So that's why I leave it open there, right? So it will becomes available in this selection here. All right. So I'll just select that one, and I do not want to copy all the settings. So that's why I'm just going to select here check none. Okay. So these are the categories or settings that you can copy to your new project. Okay, so as you can see, you can also copy the browser organization, the cable sizes, the types, tags. Okay, so in our case, I want to copy the duct types and then the duct system types. Okay, because as you can see, let me just quickly cancel this one. If I check the families here of my ducts, I only have the default here, right? So I only have the default duct here. So same with duct systems. Okay. So I only have exhaust air, return, and supply, and same with my pipe systems. Okay. So there's no custom here. So I want to copy the customized settings from the previous project or other project. So I'm going to select transfer project standards, make sure the project is selected. I'll select here check none. So I just want to select here the doc types and then doc system types, and same with pipes. We can also copy the line styles here, the patterns, by the way. Okay, you cannot copy the mechanical family, but you can copy the mechanical equipment sets. Okay, so I'm going to copy the pipe types and then the piping system types. And then after that, I'll just select OK. And then look what will happen here on our project browser. So I'll just select here OK. Okay, so the following types already exist but are different. The types from the project into which you are pasting will be used. So that's fine. Just select OK. Okay, and then since it's already existing, okay, so you just need to override it. Okay, so I'm just going to override. Okay, and then this is just a renaming. Okay, because we already have oval union in this project. So they just added one there to avoid conflicts with the existing element. Okay, so we have 3 warnings on that one. Okay, so we all know what's going on there. So it's just being renamed. So you can go here, you can check that one. Okay, so these are the warnings, but it's just renaming our new elements. So I'll just close this one out. Okay, so as you can now see here, there you go. So we just copy the custom pipe one. Okay, and then the system here. So same with our doc. Okay, so that's the use of your transfer project standard. So there's a lot of things that you can transfer to your new project. So these are those categories that you can copy. Okay, so transfer project standards. So now let's say, for example, what I want to do is I want to get this custom drafting view detail. Okay, one way is to just simply copy paste this. So this is a drafting view, right? So if you double click the viewport and then check the properties, that's actually a drafting view. So what I can do is I can just select that and then copy. Okay, and then go to your new project, but you need to create a drafting view here. So you go to the view tab and then select drafting view, put a name, put the scale, then select OK. And then after that, you just go to modify and then paste it. Okay, just align to the current view, just select OK. And there you go. So you just copy that, or you can just Control V, right? Copy paste. So it's the same. All right, so that's what you do. So you open up the viewport, double click so that it will go to your drafting view, and then copy paste to your new project. Now another way of doing that is, so instead of copy and then creating drafting view and then paste it just like what we did here, another option that you can do is you can go to the insert tab and then you can go to insert from file, and then you can select here insert views from file. So you can click that. And then after that, look for the file. Where did you save the file? So I saved the file here, which is this one here. Right, so that's the project that we're talking about. So just select that and then select your open. And then you can now see here right off the bat all the drafting views that is available from that from that project, right? So I can just select here. Let's say, for example, I want to insert my custom drafting view and also my HVAC notes and maybe the schedule as well. So the schedule, the mechanical equipment schedule, and then after that, I'll select here, OK. And then I'll just select that OK. And it's now here. There you go. So I'll just close this one. And there you go. So this is now the mechanical equipment schedule. So that's how fast you can do it. So you don't need to redo the settings of mechanical equipment schedule. So you can just insert it from the previous project or from the other open project. So going back here on our project, so you can now see that we have the drafting view here. So we now have the custom drafting view, which is this one, correct scale, and then we now have the HVAC general notes. Okay, but this one you need to retype again. You cannot copy the whole stuff, the text. So it will just create you a drafting view. So what you can do is you just go back to that project and then just double click this and then click and then Control C. Okay, and then go back and then here on the new project, Control V, right? There you go, and then just finish it. Okay. All right, so we just copy now the settings of the drafting view. So we have the custom drafting view, the HVAC general notes, and then the schedule, which is this one, our mechanical equipment schedule, right? So if I go back to that previous project here, so let's say I'm gonna open the floor plan view, this one. Okay, because right now we don't have any mechanical equipment in this project, right? That is being used. So going back here from our project, so I'm going to copy the equipment. So let's say this one, the BRF. So I want to copy that. So just click and then hold control. So let's say copy this, hold control. I'm going to select that. Okay, what else? So maybe this one to hold control. Okay, so after selecting the elements that you want to copy, so I'm just going to Control C again. Control C to copy. And then let's go back to our project here. Okay, so let's say I'll go to my mechanical. Okay. And then I'm just going to press Control V. Okay, so I'll just select here. Okay. There you go. So there's now our equipment. So it's now also loaded to our project. Now, if we go back to the mechanical equipment schedule, it will now filled in. Okay. So it will now get updated. So you can see it's now updated after you copy those mechanical equipment. All right. So basically, that's how you transfer the project standards from your link model or from your previous project. And then that's how you insert views from external models like this to your new project and then manage the project information basically. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.